It's your boy Easy Predicts, and in this video I'll be showing you how I made some bucks by trading through buy trading, right? So this is the interface and this is the platform, right? Buy trading. So on the interface you see calculator, you see invite, simulation, follow, and down you see BTC 28, game start, Ethereum, ETH 10, and sports start, right? So what this platform does is they provide you with accurate trading signal that you can use to make profits every single day through this their very platform. And the best thing is this: they have a Telegram channel where they drop those platforms, in which I'll take you down straight to the Telegram channel. So this is a channel where they drop their platforms. As you can see, the last trade they did won already, so we'll be heading to that very soon. So I want to explain to you how this platform works, right? So please pay attention. So from this calculator, that's where this calculator gives you the accurate stake amount to start your trading with, right? So once I click on mine now, you see I have around $44 there. It was around $20, but now I've made up to $24 plus. So now let me head over straight to home so that I will explain to you how the calculator works. So as you can see, this on my balance, it was $44. So once I click here now, you will see this period is 2 times 5x. So we're not going to 2 times 5x, we are going to 2 times 1x. So once I click this 2 times 1x, it will now, the prices will change. So on the other side, you will see 1,000. So once I remove the 1,000 and put the amount I'm having, which is $44, now you will see the stake the amount I'm supposed to start with. So I'm supposed to start with 0.12 cents, right? So this is just explanation on how it works. And mind you, this is trading, right? Sometimes from the stage 1 it will not go well, sometimes from the stage 2 it will not go well, sometimes from the stage 3 it will not go well, down to the stage 7 it will not go well. But I'm assuring you that once it gets to stage 8, it will definitely go well. And once you win, you will recover whatever you've lost from stage 1 to stage 7 plus interest. And if eventually it did not go well from the stage 1 down to the stage 8, all you have to do is just to go to your profile and get a proof of the stakes of the periods you went through. That's from the stage 1 to the stage 8 of how you went through and the losses. Just get a proof of that and drop it into their Telegram channel, and you will get a refund immediately. So it's very easy. So you're not losing at all because there is a refund. Hence, you follow this explanation I just gave you correctly, you will stand 0 chance of losing. Please pay attention to it. Pay attention to it. So I'll be walking you through how to trade using the 1 minute signal, because that is what we are focusing on, 1 minute signal. I'll be guiding you through how to trade using the 1 minute signal. But before I do that, the link to join this platform is pinned in the comment section of this video, and also the link to join the trading signal group on Telegram is also pinned in the comment section, where you will get the signal to use to trade so that there will not be any loss. Mind you, follow the calculator explanation I just gave out and you will not lose. And also in this calculator, let me still explain one more again. Let me still impute what I imputed the first time, and I put my balance $44. If you start trading from the first stage and you won, if you win, you are not jumping down to stage 2. You are still maintaining this period 1. It's either you call it period or stage or stage. Only when you jump to this period 2 or stage 2 is when the period 1 or stage 1 did not win. But hence you keep winning. You don't go above this stage 1 or period 1. So let me say you win the first trade with stage 1 or period 1, you still maintain that. Then your next trade, you still maintain the amount that this calculator is giving you from the stage 1 or period 1, right? So that is how to go along with it. Only when you should jump to the period 2 or stage 2 is when the stage 1 or period 1 did not win. Please take note of that. So now I'll be guiding you on how to trade. So let me head over to the BTC 28, because that is the key of why we are trading. So I click on it. Once I click on it, it will bring me down to this platform. As you can see, we'll have 1 minute, 3 minutes, and 5 minutes column. So now the column is on 1 minute because that is where we are focusing on. And the type of trade that you should be choosing, you will see we have big, we have small, we have odd, we have even, we have big odd, we have small odd, we have big even, we have small even, and we have our amount of stake. And by the side here, you will get to see your calendar. By the side here, you get to see your calendar, in which if you click on the calendar, it will still take you straight down to where we were before. Just impute this 2 times 1x and also impute your amount. I'm having $44. So this is, we are back on track. So I click back. So now what you should do is this. As long as you're winning, there's no need to go back to the calculator and impute that stuff. Just be using that same amount of stake, 1.28, 1.28, 1.28. But once you lose, that's when you jump on to the calculator and impute this and put the amount that is remaining. 44. Let me say you stake already, it will drop. It might drop back to 43. So you put 43 and to give you the amount of stake that you use from the stage 2. So had it been I lost the first one now, then the next stake I will make is to pick from the period 2, which is 0.26 cents. So please take note of that. So I'm going to be teaching you how to trade now. So looking down under this time that is counting down, you will see a code there. So all you have to be focused on is these last 2 numbers, which is the 32. That's the last 2 numbers. So let's wait for this one to count down. Let's wait for it to count down and we'll proceed with how to trade. I'll just trade twice and I will explain further. So it's very easy. So now let me just head over to the Telegram channel so that it will be very easy for us. So this one won. So the next trade now. Okay, we're waiting for. Okay, now this one lost. So the next trade now we are going for the next trade. So they say we should go for even, and all I have to do now is to come back here because I already know the amount I want to trade. I'll put 0.28, right? So I'll use let me see what they say we should use. So they say we should use even. So I'll come back here and click even. Once I click on even, I click on trade and I confirm my trade, and I will wait for it to the time to count down, right? So mind you, like I said, your first trade might not go well, your second trade might not go well, your third trade might not go well, down to the 7th trade. The 8th trade always goes well, but eventually it not go well. You can as well get a proof of your what they call it, of your trades, send it back to this Telegram channel. You contact the admin from this Telegram channel and you will get a refund immediately. So please, you see, we've lost this one. So now they said we should trade with small, right? So now when I say we should trade with small, because I've lost the first stage, now I will now use the second amount, which is 0.26 based on what I got from the calculator, right? So I will now click on small. Once I click on small, let me confirm if it's small. I click on small, I click on trade. Then I click on confirm trade. So as you can see, the amount is dropping down. From 44, it has gone down to 436,890 because there was a loss. So let's wait for it to count down. Once it's counting down now, we'll go to our Telegram channel to see if it's a win. Like I said, your first, second, fourth, third, first to 7th trade might not go well from the first time, right? So wait, let's see if there is a win or there is a loss. So don't worry, your money is safe, right? So we won. So now we won this. Now they say we should go with big. So now what we have to do now is to come back here and you see the amount will go back, which will top up because we won. Network is really not too good. So now what I have to do now is to come back here again, impute that first amount, 0.12, right? Because that was what they said we should trade with. And the period is big. So I'll click on big. I'll click on big. I'll click on big. I click on confirm. So I confirmed it. So now let's see, my amount has raised up again because we won. So as I won, I went back to stage 1 because I have to start from stage 1 again, right? So now let's see if we won or we lost. Let's see from the result we'll get. So we lost. So now let me still explain to you now the next trade, they say we should go with small. Now I will click on the trade and I will put the amount from the period 2, which is 0.26, and then I click on small, I click on trade, right? So they say we should click on small, I click on trade, so I confirm the trade. I'll wait. If this wins, I will go back to period 1. If this did not win, I will go to period 3. So that's how this platform works, right? As if you are winning, you maintain your stage 1. If you're not winning, you go from stage 1 to stage 2. That's how you'll be doing it. And let's see what the outcome will look like. Then before we jump into the next stage. So we are waiting for it to drop down. Let me see if the time has, okay, time to draw, and let's see if there is a win. Let's see if there is a win. So we lost this. So what we have to do now is now they say we should go with even from our stake, right? They say we should go with even. So what I have to do now, because we've lost twice, now the third one I will go with from the calculator is around 0.42, and they say we should go with big. So I'll click on big, and I click on trade. I confirm the trade. So now we'll wait so that we'll confirm our trade if we have won it or not. So let it count down and we'll wait. Now let me go back to the Telegram channel and see if what we've got there is a win or a lose. So remember, they said we should go for even, and we picked even. So we are waiting to see if it's a win or a loss. So it is a win, right? So now, hence, we've won this. Third stage now, because we won. We've recovered all our money back, and now we'll now go back to period 1, which is the stake is 0. Be listening, the stage is 0. The stake is 0.28, and from the signal they gave us, they say we should go with small. So I'll come back here. Oh, network is really slowing down. Let's allow it to load up. So I'll come back here, allow it to load up a little because of time. Network is slowing down. So I'll go with small. I click on trade. Oh, the time is passed already because of the network. So let's see what happened next. So I'll go into the Telegram channel and see if it is a win. So we lost. Since we lost this one, now we'll start from stage 2 again, which from period 2, which is 0.26. So that's how to go about this platform. And mind you, this platform, you can also make deposit through Naira, and you can also withdraw through Naira, in which they are working on it. But I believe by the end of today, which is Thursday, as you're watching this video, the deposit section for Naira should be stable, right? So once you want to withdraw, if you want to make deposit, you click on top up. Once you click on top up, you select the address you want to. The TRC20 is normally the address. So all you have to do now is to input the amount. Let me say you want to deposit 40, or you want to deposit 100 USD. Then you click on top up. Once you click on top up, it takes you to where you just have to copy this wallet address you're seeing there. Once you copy it, you click that copy sign, it will copy. Now you have to go to your trading exchange app, either Bybit, Binance, or BitGet, in which one you're using, and make the deposit. Then once you make the deposit, you get a screenshot of your successful deposits. Come here, upload it where they say upload, and confirm, and you are good to go. You will get the money immediately in your account. And also, if you want to withdraw, or the same thing, you have to click on withdraw, and you go to your Binance, Bybit, or BitGet, in whatever exchange platform you're using. Copy your what they call it, copy your wallet address under TRC 20, under USDT TRC 20. Come back here, paste it, and put the amount you want to withdraw, and that is it. So it's very easy. So on my next video, I'll be explaining better on how to make deposits and withdrawal. So that's all for this platform without wasting much of our time. Like I said, the link to join is pinned in the comment section of this video, and the link to also join their trading Signal channel on Telegram is also pinned in the comment section of this video. So in my next video, I'll be making a video on how to top up. I will explain it very well, and also how to make withdrawal very, very well. So family, these are the easiest way that I've been making some cash for myself, and I said let me bring it out to you. So if you find this interesting, the link to join is pinned in the comment section. And also, please ensure that you do your findings, and also make sure you do your findings before you decide, right? So this is just for educational purposes only, right?